Right ahead is the place that I always go when I come to Melbourne, Brunswick. So all along Brunswick, especially the side alley, is like an art zone. There's a lot of graffiti. But some are really very nice ones. I've not seen a good one yet, but I have actually saved some of the GPS location of the nice ones that I visit every time I come back to Melbourne. Let me try to show you one. So Brunswick do have a fair bit of the old buildings left behind. So if you want to come to Melbourne, come to this place to have a look at the older buildings, and the shopping will be more interesting over here. This is one of the nicer ones. I've not seen this. This should be new. This is also a new one. It wasn't here a few years back. Okay, this is one of the car that is going to do the hop turn, so he has to park. Okay, he has to turn before the tram comes. Graffitis Street, so they do have a flea mart right in the middle of the road. Okay, you can't chase them away because this is not blocking anyone, and it's actually in between of a two-way road. You can see people climb up, and basically they just spray graffiti everywhere. So it's really interesting to recently watch outside. Okay, I'm at Canning Street. I have walked for about 2 hours, arriving to the next destination soon. So you can see over here, all the alleys, they have graffiti. Try to not walk this area at night. Okay, I'm just showing you guys. So right in front, I'm going to show you a DJ Graffiti. This one every year I come because it will be well maintained by someone. The spaceship. So we are here at Fitzroy. I'm just a few hundred meters away from the final graffiti that I wanted to show you. You don't have to do the walking, let me show you. Okay friends, I found the graffiti, but it's unfortunate the original graffiti, the original art piece, someone has repainted over his art piece. Okay, this used to be the original art piece. It's a DJ playing a turntable. Now it's something else. It's gone. What a shame. That is the original art piece, the DJ playing the turntable. It is gone already. Overwritten. What a shame. Okay folks, let me show you the original art piece. So it's here. It's this location. Now it's gone. Okay folks, it's a shame it's gone, the original art piece, but I do have a consolation. The group photos of Chicago Bulls. Okay folks, I promised to show you the old post box. So this is the old post box. It's not been used anymore. I think that's all to it. let's head back to Melbourne Central. Okay, that's all there is for Brunswick. I have walked a total of 30,000 steps so far. Catch you again. Okay, I'm going to show you one of such plumbing toilet here in Princess, but let's take a look. Okay, first impression, it is really stink in here, but it's generally clean. So that's all to see. This is more original. This one is for the male without the door. There's a book even. Let's have a look inside. Okay, it's just this and a book. So Brunswick being the poorer town, poorer part of Melbourne, a lot of things such as they wipe your windscreen for you to get a few dollars, a few cents, and things like that. So we are approaching the graffiti area soon. You see something? So I'm at Parliament Station, so this is one of the older part of Melbourne where toilets are located underground. So steps going down for both men and ladies. Okay, I'm going to take the subway now from Parliament Station. So at Parliament Station, I will take the upfield train to Southern Cross to make a change. So this is Southern Cross Station. Here you can take the regional and also the domestic train. So I'm going to platform 14 to take a regional train.